Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today this one is exciting because I'm going to show you how you can install PUBG Mobile on your PC and how you can play that game on your PC. Let's suppose you don't have a good PC where you can run the PC version of PUBG, then you can play the PUBG Mobile onto your PC. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, let me tell you, the process starts with us downloading an emulator. So for that, like downloading a custom Android emulator and then setting it up will take a lot of time. So for that, we are going to go with an emulator which is already prepared and optimized for PUBG Mobile. And for that, we will go to google.com, and inside Google, what we need to do is we need to search for game loops. By the way, game loops is by the same guys who made PUBG Mobile, so it's by the Tencent. So if we go and Google game loops, we'll see a bunch of websites. We want to go on their official website, so we'll click on that, and after that we'll go to the download sections, and from the download sections we'll click on download. So it's going to take some time because it's an emulator. It has its size because it's running Android basically on top of your Windows. So it's going to take some time depending on your internet connection, so we gotta wait. So once the download is done, now what we need to do is we gotta install this emulator on our PC. So once after you've installed the emulator, now what you need to do is you need to open up the emulator, and after that you would see a bunch of options. We are interested in store. We click on store, so we can search for it or we can just select it from here in this menu. So all you gotta do is click on install and wait for it to download, again depending on your internet connection. So once it is downloaded, then what you need to do is just simply open up this emulator again, and here in your library, in the section where it says your library, and you'll see PUBG Mobile mentioned here or shown here, just like this one on the screen. Simply click on play and or open, and then the game will open up and you can play the game on your PC. So this is how you can download PUBG Mobile on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one.